Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, your go-to source for insights and analysis on the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. We've got some significant market shifts happening right now, particularly with Ethereum and Bitcoin, as traders watch these two behemoths navigate critical junctures. Let's dive in and break down what's driving these movements. Ethereum is preparing to embark on a potential rally after slipping below $1,800, which has sent shockwaves through the trading community. The current price action shows a sideways movement above $1,755, marking a crucial demand area that extends between $1,754 and $1,765. What's supporting this bullish trend is the 200-day EMA, but uncertainties surrounding former President Donald Trump's recent announcement and an upcoming Federal Reserve decision have contributed to this decline. As of now, Ethereum's price is hovering around $1,832, far from its all-time high of $4,600 reached on November 13, 2021. On-chain data suggests a potential price increase to $2,000 for Ethereum, with the price in out-of-the-money indicator from Intoth block reflecting strong resistance in the range of $1,805 to $1,857. This disparity in volume indicates that if Ethereum can surpass the overhead supply zone, it might experience a smoother ascent toward the $2,000 mark. But what's driving this potential rally? It all comes down to the upcoming Pectra update for Ethereum, scheduled for May 7, 2025 at 18:05 Italian time. This update is expected to bring several key improvements to the mainnet, including the consolidation of validators and an increase in the blobs per block from 3 to 6, potentially making Layer 2 transactions cheaper. These enhancements aim to facilitate faster staking, lower Layer 2 transaction fees, and smarter wallets, ultimately benefiting the Ethereum ecosystem. Coinbase has announced a temporary suspension of Ethereum deposits and withdrawals during the Pectra update, lasting from 17:50 to 18:45 Italian time. This precaution is intended to ensure the safety of user funds, although existing staking positions will remain unaffected. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's market dynamics are shifting as well. The Coinbase Premium Index, which measures the price difference between BTC on Coinbase Pro and Binance, has recently dipped into negative territory after a 15-day positive streak. This shift corresponds with Bitcoin's price falling below $94,000, indicating a reduction in buying pressure on Coinbase. Reports from Cointelegraph have highlighted early signs of selling pressure, with Bitcoin recording over $300 million in negative cumulative spot volume delta from April 27 to April 29, 2025. This sustained selling activity has contributed to the recent price decline, with significant selling pressure observed from Bitfinex whales compared to those on Coinbase and Binance. As Bitcoin hovers around $94,000, it finds itself between two CME futures gaps, one from 2 weeks ago between $92,000 and $92,500, and another from the recent weekend ranging from $96,400 to $97,400. Historically, these gaps tend to act as magnets for price movements, with trends indicating a propensity for prices to fill these gaps within a few days. Analysts predict that Bitcoin may test at least one of these gaps this week, with a potential decline down to $92,000 becoming more likely, especially since Bitcoin has failed to maintain its position above the 200-day simple moving average for the first time since April 11, 2025. Traders are closely monitoring key levels, with resistance noted at $97,000 to $98,000 and key support around $93,000. In conclusion, Ethereum is poised for a potential rally following its Pectra update, while Bitcoin navigates selling pressures. The outcome of these market shifts will determine the short-term trajectory of both cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for more updates on Bitcoin Bulletin, your trusted source for all things Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.